Video will be covering how to use the waiting list. The waiting list can be found on the appointment book, and the purpose of the waiting list is to keep track of anyone who was trying to get in for an appointment but couldn't find a time that worked for them. To add somebody to the waiting list, you can simply click Add to Waiting List. You'll type in their contact information, and you can go in here, update the date range that they're looking to have an appointment. It will default to 1 month. And then down here, you select the worker and services they're looking to have. And then once you go ahead and add that, you'll see your addition here. If you need to edit it, you can click Edit, make changes as needed. If you need to delete an item, you simply click this trash can. If you do have some openings or you open up your day, you can go ahead and click this Find Appointment button, and that will auto-populate their preferences, and you can select the date to book them on and click Search. It will show you a list of availability similar to the Find Appointment feature, and then go ahead and book, and then that item will be removed from the waiting list. Another way to add an item to the waiting list is from the appointment book. If you click Find Appointment and you make your selections and click Search, and let's say none of these times worked, you can click this Add to Waiting List button, and that will add that item to the waiting list, as you can see here. You can also use different filters on the waiting list. You can sort by, like, if you're looking for a specific person or date range, you can do that. You can also filter out which workers. So let's say Ashley's going to open up some time on her day. You can click here and select Ashley, and then it will only show you people waiting to get in specifically with Ashley. You can also select any or Ashley would be a combo. And then, you know, if you're going to use this for the walk-ins, you can select only show your walk-in traffic. And then that would only show your walk-in traffic. And then down here, there's an option to show only the expired ones. I don't have any expired, but expired would mean that the end date was prior to today's date. And if you do have some expired entries, you can manually delete those, or you can select the Delete All Expired, and then that would delete any of the expired ones. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.